Okay, today we will be going over promotions. You will find promotions under stock and then promotions. As you jump in, you'll see you have quite a few options in here. Inquiry will allow you to look at an existing promotion within your system. Add allows you to add a new promotion to your system. Change lets you change an existing promotion in your system. Modify code. This is similar to the functionality within our stock management system where it changes the code that the promotion is known for. We also have a delete function in here. Now just bear in mind that this delete function won't actually work for any promotions that have transactions against them. So you can delete a brand new promotion that you haven't used yet if you've made a mistake, or you can delete a promotion that hasn't been used in a few years and the transactions have been purged during the end of financial year process. We also have some extra functionality down here, import, where if you have a beacon formatted import file, you can import your promotions, and you can also export promotions out of a head office to import into other sites. Not really required, as your promotions will flow down from head office as you need them to. Another big one to remember for promotions is there are two types. Now, simple, we don't use this one anymore. This is actually going to be decommissioned in future versions of Beacon, and it won't appear. So let's make sure we do all our work in advanced. Advanced can do everything that the simple promotions used to be able to do and much, much more. So let's start by creating some promotions. Okay, so let's set up a promotion. Under stock, promotions, add, advanced. We've come into our promotion screen. Up the top, we've got the code. So let's just call this test 1. You can name yours whatever you like. And let's find something that we can pop on promotion. Let's look at this Axle oil 1 litre. So we can see its retail price is $155. We are going to set up a promotion where if you buy 2 of them, you get it for $300. So let's name the promotion accordingly. So buy 2 times Axle oil 1 litre for $300. So the name of the promotion should sort of line up with what it does. Over on the right here, you've got control of when the promotion starts and ends, not only the date, but also the time that you'd like this promotion to kick in. Let's just extend our end date to the end of the month. And then over on the right, you've got the number of groups. Now, this is the, groups of items. So, for example, one group might be fruit, so pieces of fruit. Within that, you've got a banana, an apple, and orange. And anything from that one group is part of the promotion. So you might have buy 1 piece of fruit for $2. A 2-group promotion is, for example, you might have fruit as one group and chocolates as another. Buy an apple and a Mars bar for $5. 3 groups is just one more group again. So you might have a piece of fruit, a chocolate, and a drink for $10. And 4 groups is exactly the same with just one more group on the end. This allows you to mix and match items within your store. So we're going to do a 1-group promotion to start with. Let's keep it nice and simple. And we want to name the group based on what's inside the group. So, for example, if we were doing different pieces of fruit, we'd call this fruit. Our group description is going to be Axle oil 1 litre, as that's what we're going to put in it. Now, the simplest way to add something into a promotion is using this specific item lookup. So we can look up in here, double click on the icon and hit add, and it will add our item into the promotion. Now, you'll notice there is a lot more going underneath that specific item. So this allows you to search your stock file for particular items within particular groups in Beacon and bring them all in at once. Now, this is particularly helpful if you have a convenience store attached to your petrol station. But let's just have a look at how it works. Let's look at engine oil. We can pick, I'm pretty sure all my items in this are under default supplier, so we'll put the supplier in. And we're going to put 1 litre. So what Beacon's going to do is it's going to search the stock file within subgroup 1101 for the supplier default for any stock items with the 1L in their naming convention. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit add here, and you can see that Beacon has brought up any items within that group with one L and added it in. So that's a great little function if you are looking for a group of items that are named to the same convention. Now we obviously don't need all of these, so I'm just going to quickly hit remove all and bring that axle oil back in. Okay, so we have our axle oil. So underneath our group and the way we add items into our group, we've got the promotion rules. Now you can see here you've got the option of exactly or more than to trigger the promotion. In our situation, we need to buy a group of 2. So you want to buy exactly 2 items from group 1. And then the promotion result tells us what happens with the pricing. So we can put total price of all the items in the discount, which is actually what we're going to do. We're going to put $300. The other option we've got is all the items in group 1 get a discount per unit. So we actually could use this one as well. We could put a $5 discount per unit, which would have the same effect. Or all of the items in group 1 get a selling price per unit. So we could also put 150 and it would work there as well. But let's keep it nice and simple. We want all of the items, so we want 2 of the axle oil 1 litre, 200, oh, that's cheap, $300. Now you can see this promotion summary down the bottom. Get 2 axle oil 1 litre for $300. This is sort of like your sanity check on the promotion. It should say what you want your promotion to do. So that looks good to me. Let's hit OK. Now this gives you the option of a little reminder message in the back office that your promotion is going to end if you want to set one up. We're not going to do one for this one. Okay, so let's do something a little bit trickier. Let's set up a 2-part promotion. So we still go to promotions, we go to add, and of course we always use advanced. Now what we're going to do is we're going to set up a promotion where if you buy an axle oil 1 litre, you get 4 cents per litre off a diesel purchase if it's done in the same transaction. Now just remember these things have to happen in the same transaction for the promotion to work. So let's call it something relevant. So buy axle oil 1 litre and get 4 cents per litre off diesel. We'll set our end date to the 31st of July, and this one's going to be a 2-part promo. We're going to buy something from group 1 and we're going to discount group 2. So we need to set up 2 groups. Once you click 2 groups, you'll see that we actually have access to 2 groups now. So our first group is going to be our axle oil 1 litre. So we're going to pop this specific item in and we're going to add it in. And then in our group 2, it is going to be our diesel. So let's add in our diesel stock item and add. Beautiful. So we've got our different groups with our stock items in them. Now we'll notice the promotion rules are a little bit different with this one. We don't necessarily have to buy exactly 1 axle oil. Essentially, you can buy any amount of axle oil as long as you buy 1 of them or more. So we're actually just going to go more than 0.9. And exactly, now we don't want to do an exactly again for diesel. We want to make sure that as long as they buy diesel, it will trigger the promotion. So we've got the promotion result. So as long as they buy 1 or more of the axle oil and anything more than say 0.01 of a litre of diesel, this promotion is going to be intact. You probably could put a little bit higher than that. You probably could put more than 1 litre of diesel. It's pretty rare that anyone gets less than 1 litre. So it's probably safe to put 1 in. Now the promotion result. This one, we want to make all of the items in group 2 get a discount of 4 cents per litre. And we can see down here that get no more. Now this is a bit of a bug here, so let's disregard this. Get more than 0 axle oil and more than 1 diesel to get a discount of 4 cents per off in the diesel promotion. So let's go OK on that. And that's now in our system. Okay, so now that we've gone through the basics of promotions, let's go through and set up some of the sea oil promotions. So under stock, promotions, add and advanced, the first one we're going to do is a 1 peso discount for every 2 tea and 4T 200 ml. So we're going to leave the code there. You can ask CEO what they would like their codes to be. We'll just leave ours as test 3. Pop the name in, so a 1 peso discount for every 2T and 4T 200 ml. We'll make sure our dates are correct. Now I'm just going to set it to the end of the month, but you can put whatever dates you like. And it's all going to be in the same group. So our group name is going to be 2T and 4T 200 ml. And we're going to add all our items in. So we'll pick our 200 ml 2T, and we'll pick our 200 ml 4T. So we've got both of our items. Now, if they buy exactly one, which we can use it as an exactly one, we want to give a discount of all the items in group 1 of 1 peso. So get a 2T and 4T. We might change that to 2T or 4T to get a discount of it says $1, it's 1 peso if you open this in the Philippines, off each 2T or 4T 200 ml in the promotion. So let's hit OK on that. That one was pretty simple, pretty straightforward, nice and easy. Now, what have we got at us on the list? So buy diesel and gasoline engine oil to get 5 peso discount. So buy diesel and gasoline engine oil for litre to get 5 PHP discount. Oh, now that one's, we might just remove the engine, PHP discount. Beautiful. So we'll buy diesel and gasoline oil to get a 5 PHP discount. Now, I'll just leave my dates the same. Now, this one's going to be a 2 group. The first group we'll put in as diesel, and we will add our diesel in. And our second group is going to be the gasoline engine oil for a litre. So let's look up gasoline and find this item. This is the one here. Beautiful. So we've got our group 1 is our diesel and our group 2 is our gasoline engine oil. So we want a sale of more than 1 litre of diesel and exactly 1 of the gasoline engine oil, and they get a discount on group 2 of 5 pesos per unit. So now again, please disregard this little no here. I will get it fixed. I'll report it to our support manager, but what it should say is get more than 1 diesel and gasoline engine oil to get a discount of 5 pesos off each gasoline engine oil. So let's hit OK on that. And that one's done and dusted. Now let's just do one more, a nice simple one. Let's do the 5 peso discount on coolant litre. So PHP 5 discount on coolant 500 ml. Again, this is back to a 1 group promo. We want to call it coolant 500 ml. We find the item and add it to our group. Buy exactly 1 and get a 5 peso discount. Nice and easy.